Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be telling you how to find working coupon codes on Stockx. So make sure you watch till the very end because I'm going to be telling you the names of almost 10 websites where you can find working coupon codes. So you want to watch till the very end because you never know which website works the best for you. And how you're gonna find them is I'm going to be telling you the names of the websites that do these coupon codes. So what you need to do is, suppose this one is LA Times. So what you need to do is head over to Google and search for LA Times Stockx coupon codes, and the first link that comes up, you're going to click on that. So our first website is LA Times, as I told you. The next one is Coupon Follow. So this is actually a very popular one. Just head over to Google and search for Coupon Follow Stockx promo codes or coupon codes and click on the first link that comes up. As you can see, they have a bunch of these. Next up, we have Forbes. Now this is verified, so you can find pretty good deals from here. After this one, we have Stockx Help Center, that if you have any discount or promo codes, then you can redeem it just like so. After that, we have LinkedIn. As you can see that this guy has this bunch of coupon codes listed over here, so you can also check this one out. After that, we have discount mirror code for mirror.co.uk, so you can come over here and check these ones out. Then we have the Washington Post. As you can see, tons of coupon codes, and the best thing about this is they also show you when it is expiring. Like this one is the 2nd February, this one is till December, so you can also check these ones out. After that, we have time.com, and you can also see they have all of these. Then we have discountcode.express.co.uk. As you can see, they also provide a lot. And then we have WeThrift. After that, we have stockx.noji, and the spelling of Noji is Knoji. And last but not the least, we have Retail Me Not, which is a very popular one, so you can absolutely go and check them out. And there you go. These are all the websites. Thanks for watching. Please let us know if any of these websites coupon codes worked for you, and if it was, then which one was it, and we'll be happy to know that. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.